Hey, quick question. Ever thought, I need to sell my house in Fort Lauderdale, but the repairs would cost a fortune? Well, I've got something that might surprise you. We buy houses in any condition. Yes, even that leaky roof you've been worried about. Here's the deal. We're not Fort Lauderdale real estate agents. We're investors. No fees, no repairs needed, and definitely no months of waiting. And we do things differently. Look, here's how simple it is. First, a quick 10-minute call. Then we will send you over a same-day offer. And finally, you pick when to close at our local Fort Lauderdale title company. The best part? You get exactly what we agree on, down to the penny. Now, I'll be straight with you. Our offer might be below market value, but you're saving thousands in repairs and fees. Last week, Mike sold us his Fort Lauderdale house. His words, not mine, closed in 5 days, got exactly what they promised. If you're ready to sell your Fort Lauderdale house fast for cash without the headaches, give us a call, 555-867-5309. Let's talk soon.